Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Krispy Kreme and its new rewards system. Let's dive right in. So first things first, Krispy Kreme Rewards is a loyalty program that allows members to earn points and enjoy exclusive benefits when purchasing their delicious donuts. And there are a couple of pros and cons regarding this. But first of all, in order to attain the Krispy Kreme rewards system, you'd first have to sign up, and in order to earn points, you will have to, of course, buy their delicious donuts. And in the US, how it works is that for every dollar you spend, you earn exactly 1 point. So it's 1 point per dollar. And for a free donut, you will be needing 10 points. For a free dozen donuts, you will be needing 120 points. So this is essentially how their reward system works. And a couple of benefits about this is that for people who love donuts, this is essentially a way for them to attain free donuts. And again, even more so, they offer exclusive offers for people who have their Krispy Kreme reward system on their phone and have signed up for it. And of course, it provides a very good way for people to attain free donuts time to time after purchasing a nice amount of donuts. So again, overall, Krispy Kreme Rewards is a great program for frequent donut lovers who want to earn free treats and enjoy exclusive offers. The program is easy to join and use, especially with the app, and the free donuts and birthday perks make it a sweet deal for regular customers. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.